Ldce GDCE.
Hello friends, this video is on accounts and finance important objective questions for a railway departmental exam. Date of uploading is August 3, 2022 and this video having some conceptual question as well as some factual questions. So through my video I am trying to develop concept as well as some facts. So my first question, classification of expenditure. The railway expenditure has been classified into two groups, namely capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. So capital expenditure, under this category such items of expenditure are included which pertain to acquisition of concrete assets, in Hindi we can say ठोस संपत्ति का अधिग्रहण, construction, replacement and renewals of assets such as cost of land, construction of staff quarters, etc. Second, revenue expenditure. These items of expenditure relate to the working of railway, repairs and maintenance and operation of rolling stock, plants and machinery and equipments. So these are the two main expenditure of railway. Next, primary unit 1 is used for dash revenue expenditure. This is for salaries and wages. Primary unit 2 is used for dash revenue expenditure. That is for Dearness allowance, DA. The plan head are often used under demand number 16. These are also known as minor heads. The plan heads also known as minor heads. The scrap value of a rail is what percentage of cost of new rail? That is 40% less than the new rail. Cost of small fittings provided to locos which are incidental to the works is charged to revenue. The cost of repairing the track damages due to floods accidents is charged to dash. This is charged to DRF, Depreciation Reserve Fund. Development Fund is credited with DF. It is credited with the amount transferred to it from Railway Reserve Fund. Railway Reserve Fund, the amount of interest earned on the balance of the fund. So Development Fund credited through this. The cost of computerization of passengers reservation system is charged to dash. That is charged to passenger amenity. Passenger amenity. Contingent expenditure means incidental to the management or upkeep of the office. Incidental to the management or upkeep of the office. Revenue allocation register is maintained for dash. It is maintained for budgetary control. Budgetary control. Primary unit of allocation denotes object of expenditure. Object of expenditure. RRSK is being implemented with effect from 2017-18. 2017-18. Centralized Training Institute for the purpose of budgeting under demand number 2. A. IRIFM, B. Reset, C. CTARA Audit and D. All the above. Here answer is D. All the above. Major head number for Indian Railway Commercial Lines working expenses is 3002. Major head number for Indian Railway Strategic Lines working expenses, which comes under working expenses, is 3003. 3003. These are major heads. Primary units for credits and recoveries in revenue. That is 97. Credits and recoveries from revenue. Railway production units engaged in rolling stock manufacturing activity will adopt dash costing system. It is adopting batch costing system. Track fittings are purchased by dash department. track fittings normally purchased by engineering department. CRAC in GEM means dash. What is CRAC in GEM? It is Consignee Receipt and Acceptance Certificate. During the process of scrap sales, the following suspense head is operated in railway book. This is sales suspense ABC. ABC analysis is also called dash. ABC analysis is also called value volume. As per canons of financial propriety, no authority should exercise its power of sanctioning expenditure to pass an order directly or indirectly to its own benefits. The statement is true. The expenditure required to be incurred for all railway activities are met from the dash fund of India. It is made from the consolidated fund of India. Amount received other than coaching and goods are called dash earnings. It is called sundry earnings. Sundry earnings. Voted expenditure is presented to the Parliament for approval. Voted expenditure is presented to the Parliament for approval. A scale check register is maintained for dash staff. A scale check register is maintained for non-gazetted staffs. Non-gazetted staff. Tenders are of dash types. Tenders are of dash types. It has 4 types. One by advertisement, that is open tender. The another one is by direct invitation to a limited number of firms, that is limited or bulletin tenders. Third is by invitation to one firm only, that is single tender. Estimates are of dash types. Estimates are of 7 types. Tenders 3, estimates 7. Consolidated Fund of India was created under Article dash. It is created under Article 266. Exchequer control is dash. Exchequer control is self-imposed expenditure discipline against cash content of budget allotment. Zonal Plan Head Coordination for PH65 Training HRD is dash. It is PCPO. It is PCPO. PAC items are purchased on dash tender basis. PAC. It is purchased on single tender basis. Single tender basis. For doubling works, plan head comes under 15. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.